Hey, I'm Drew Sanford. Today we're here at MarineMax Huntington on board the brand new 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX, and we're going to go do a little walkthrough. So if we start by the transom, we have twin Mercury 350 V10 Verados finished in black. You have your rear facing sun pad with seats that fold up to enjoy some water sports or anything lounging on the back. So we did mention about that sun pad that you get on this beautiful stone interior, but if we lift it up where you would have the engines on the stern drive version of this boat, you have beautiful storage, all insulated with drain plugs at the bottom, as well as some dividers so we could split up some lines, fenders, water sports activities. If we work our way forward through the cockpit, as we're getting forward, we also have a freshwater shower. You see the upholstery is finished in the light stone color with matching sea deck to go with it. So we have some beautiful sectional seating over here with a mount for a cockpit table. If we look to the starboard side, we have our sink along with our Kenyan grill for some nice barbecuing out on the water. Below the grill, we have our refrigerator, as well as a freezer box within that refrigerator. Above us, we have a hard top with a canvas insert so we could have a nice open sunroof with an extending sunshade that comes over that back sun pad for some nice shading. If we continue forward, we're going to see two double wide captain's chairs, one for the captain with folding bolsters for comfort standing up, along with our twin 12-inch Simrad screens. To the side, we have our joystick piloting with controls for our spotlight as well as our automatic trim tabs. Below, we have an electric vacuum flush head with a sink down there as well. We work closer towards the bow. We're going to see chrome finishings on the windshield. We also have mounting for the table up here so we can do a bow table as well. And you have bow seating along with your windlass access. If you're interested in this boat, come check us out, MarineMax Huntington, or call us at 631-424-2710. We'll see you then.